everyone, I'm AJ of EverythingAJ's, and today I want to show you a fun way to actually upgrade and kind of introduce your pictures and picture frames that you have that maybe you think are a little bit boring into something a little bit more fun or even possibly seasonal. So for instance, I've got these two pictures here, and I think it'd be really cute to incorporate some greeneries, a little bit of sticks, and different pics, things like that I'm going to put in here. I've got a little bit of a variety here, and so let me just show you really quickly how I'm going to do this project. It's super simple, and I hope it inspires you to maybe take on a project of your own. You can go to the thrift store and find these kind of products and then just put it together and make something even more fun than what you had found from the beginning. Okay, here we go. Let's get into the project. Okay, here we are with the close-up view of both of these pictures. Pick right here I got from a local craft store. I'd like to cut it down and prop it up into this corner here, and then I'm going to take this and probably prop it up a couple of these, maybe not the whole thing, and a little bit of wood up into this side. Somehow I want to incorporate a little bit of the moss. I've got the sheets where you can just cut it, so I'll be cutting those to fit probably just on this side of the frame. I think I want to not do the whole thing, but I want to give it a little bit more three-dimensionalism. Okay, so I think I'll start with this one first. Okay. First thing I want to start with is to add a little bit of moss to this right here. I think it would look really cute. Just kind of a fun addition to the front of the frame.